Hey there, beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my channel Bold and the Beautiful, where we're all about exploring natural remedies for healthy and vibrant hair. Today we're diving into the world of rosemary oil and its incredible benefits for hair growth. Join us as we uncover the truth and share some fascinating insights about this aromatic essential oil. Calling all hair enthusiasts, get ready to discover the secrets of rosemary oil and its potential for promoting hair growth. We're about to unravel the truth and provide you with valuable information that will leave you amazed. Let's start by exploring the benefits of rosemary oil for hair health. This essential oil has been used for centuries due to its amazing properties. But what makes it so beneficial for our locks? Rosemary oil contains several compounds, including rosmarinic acid and antioxidants, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties can help create a healthy scalp environment, which is essential for optimal hair growth. But does rosemary oil actually help in growing hair? This is a question that many hair enthusiasts have been asking. Let's dive deeper into the research to find out. While there's limited scientific research specifically on rosemary oil and hair growth, some studies have shown promising results. For example, a study published in the Phytomedicine Journal found that rosemary oil increased hair growth in mice. However, more research is needed to determine its effectiveness on human hair growth. Now, let's address a common question. How long does it take for rosemary oil to grow hair? It's important to note that hair growth is a gradual process and varies from person to person. Consistency is key when using rosemary oil for hair growth. It's recommended to apply diluted rosemary oil to the scalp regularly for a few months to potentially see results. However, individual responses may differ, and patience is crucial on this journey. Moving on to application methods, there are various ways you can incorporate rosemary oil into your hair care routine. Let's explore a few popular options. One method is to dilute a few drops of rosemary oil in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Apply this mixture to your scalp and massage it gently to promote blood circulation and stimulate the hair follicles. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing your hair. Another option is to create a rosemary oil rinse. Simply steep a handful of rosemary leaves in hot water. Let it cool, strain the liquid, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This can help invigorate your scalp and promote healthier hair. Remember, it's essential to perform a patch test before using rosemary oil to ensure you're not allergic or sensitive to it. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. To sum it all up, rosemary oil has been praised for its potential benefits in promoting hair growth and maintaining a healthy scalp. While more research is needed, its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an intriguing option for those seeking natural hair care remedies. If you decide to incorporate rosemary oil into your hair care routine, be patient and consistent in your application. Monitor your hair's response and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. That wraps up today's video. My fabulous viewers, we hope you've enjoyed uncovering the truth about rosemary oil and its potential for promoting hair growth. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of natural remedies and embrace your beautiful hair.